Hey guys, so today this is what I want to make for myself, banku with okra stew. I want to take you guys along. I want us to go to the supermarket together. I just can't wait to work with you guys. Let's go together. So today is actually a Sunday, and then after church I decided to visit the supermarket to shop some food items to go and prepare the delicious banku you saw earlier. So I chose the fish that I wanted to use. This is the handsome gentleman prepping it for me, and then I went ahead to take the ingredients that I'll use for the recipe as well. Guys, today I want us to do everything together. I just don't want to leave you guys behind. Okay, so I picked the okra, tomatoes, pepper, every ingredient that I will need. I came to the meat side. I got myself some beef and then some intestine. Then I came here to pick up some items that I don't remember. Okay, what you saw me holding was gari. I picked that as well. So I was walking through the store. I saw this cute tomato paste and I said I don't need it, but then I pick it and then I dropped it, guys. I dropped it. So I came to buy the okra as well. Here I am. I'm all done walking home. My house is not far from the supermarket, so here I am majestically walking to the house. Guys, I can't wait to prepare this okra stew with the banku. I am really craving for it. And so those of you who has been asking me that can you get Ghanaian food in Dubai to eat? Me, I don't like buying from the restaurants, but then I like to go and buy my ingredients and prepare my food by myself. Okay, for that one, if I eat, I feel like I'm eating from home. Okay, you can go and check my other page out, which is Dr. Rose's Kitchen. So guys, I am back home. So I quickly went to change my dress or my clothes and I started prepping the ingredients. So here I am chopping the okra to how I want it. So as I was saying, you can click on my page, Dr. Rose's Kitchen. Yes, I'm a food content creator, guys. I cook delicious Ghanaian dishes. So as it was Sunday, I joined my favorite pastor, Pastor Jerry Eze. Yes, as he was preaching. So guys, at this point, if you are not in your hometown or your country and then you want to make banku, use gari. This is yellow gari. I usually prefer the yellow corn, but since there's none here, I use the yellow gari as a cassava dough. Okay, I blended it into this powder and I added it onto my corn dough. Okay, as you are seeing, just look at how smooth it is. So I used my hands to mash it together, but I realized the pot was too small because I didn't want to struggle, so I changed it to a bigger pot. Okay, this is it, guys. Just look at the color. Yellow gari, they use palm oil in frying the gari. That is how come you see the gari is yellow. So I added my salt. This is pink salt. Okay, and then I started stirring. Guys, it is the same process or the same way you make your banku, and guys, it tastes the same thing. You see, the gari flakes is made with cassava. Okay, so it's like a cassava dough mixed with corn dough. Okay, so the banku came out so nice, soft as I wanted. Just look at that. Just look. So I used my cling film to wrap my banku. That is what I used to wrap my banku each and every time I make my banku. So when I'm preparing banku, I usually do the difficult things first before preparing the stew. So I will finish preparing my banku, chop my okra, and then I'll proceed with the okra stew. That is what I usually do, because if I make the okra stew and then the banku is not ready, I might end up eating gari with the okra. I won't even prepare the banku okra at all. So this is the okra, okay, cooking the okra, and this is my beef intestine and then some wele. So I added my beef seasoning, okay, and this is my spices. That is paprika. So I added the spices that I want in seasoning my meat, and then I added some pink salt, okay, and then the garlic and ginger paste as well. So at this point I'm going to mix it together. Okay guys, it smells so nice. Oh, I hear some people say they don't like garlic. Guys, you're missing a lot. Oh, you don't know the health benefits in garlic, eh? You don't know. So as I am steaming this, I had to season my shrimp and my crab aside, because that one is from the sea. Okay, so I season with my salt, some fish seasoning, and some garlic and ginger paste, and I set it aside. Okay, so guys, just look at that. My kitchen smells so nice. It smells so nice already. So as I keep checking the meat from time to time, now it's time for me to add my crab and my shrimp. Okay, so I mixed everything. Guys, if you prepare your okra stew this way, see, just look at how I'm doing it and make it step by step when you are preparing your own. So at this point I added my tomato mix. So this is pepper, ginger, onions, tomatoes. Okay, yes. So if you like, you can just put your tomatoes, pepper and everything in the soup, like as it's steaming, like the process of making light soup. You can make it that way and then remove it and blend. You can cook it and remove it and blend. But guys, if you try this one, you'll buy me a car. So guys, I shared my soup. It was too much, so I pour the okra here, and then I'll pour the remaining one on the other small pots. Okay, so it is time for me to enjoy my struggle, or my banku. I suffered to make this, so it is time for me to enjoy. Guys, at this point I'm gonna say thank you so much for watching. If you've watched up to this side, please click on the subscribe button and the notification bell, so that when I post, you'll be the first person to get notified. I really like the aroma and the taste of this food. Guys, Jude on TikTok will say Onya Enchem. Yes, so kindly subscribe, like and share for more videos like this. I really enjoyed it. It smells so amazing, it tastes so amazing, and I recommend this recipe to you. Just follow the steps and do it as I did it, step by step, and I bet you will like it. So at this point, it is about to go